सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि डायनेमिक्स पार्ट स्टार्ट करने के लिए, बट उससे पहले रिमेनिंग पार्ट इज सिंगल स्लाइडर क्रैंक मैकेनिज्म का काइनेमेटिक्स पार्ट वो बच गया है. सो आई एम थिंकिंग टू अपलोड द काइनेमेटिक पार्ट ऑल्सो. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट with a kinematics part of a single slider mechanism. First, but before of it, we have to study about through eye center method and vector method. How can you find acceleration and velocity of the piston? So let look at it with one question. Or question is that question you have. So you have question is. So this is rotating with 5 radian per second. Sorry, 10 radian per second. Angle is a 45 degree crank angle, and angular acceleration also given 5 radian per second square. You have to find and E, B, this you can say C. So AB is given 20 centimeter. Wait 1 minute, wait. Okay, so okay, AB is given 20 centimeter and BC is given 80 centimeter. Okay, uh, BC is given 80 centimeter now, and suppose this fixed link is 1, this link is 2, this link is 3, or slider is link 4. Okay, now you have to tell the velocity of the piston and acceleration of the piston. So you know that velocity of the piston you can find by the eye center method, and in a coaching teachers told you that you can't find direction with eye center method, but I can show you that you can also find the direction with eye center method. And also I told you in my previous video that you can't find direction with eye center method. So let us start that how can you find acceleration of piston and velocity of piston with eye center method. So look at here. In my previous video I taught you that how can you locate the all eye center. So you know that this is I12, this is I23, and this is I34, and pair between the 4 and 1, link 4 and 1 having a sliding pair. That is why I14 lies in infinity, at infinity. So this is the at I14. Suppose this is the at infinity. Actually I14 not lie here. I14 lie far away from piston, but I showed you here because of you can't tell anyone that where is the infinity. So look at here. So you have to look at all eye center. So I taught you that how can you look at all eye center. So draw one circle. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You know that 1, 2 eye center, so you join 1, 2. You know that 2, 3 eye center, you join 2, 3. You know that 3, 4 eye center, so you join 3, 4, and you know that 1, 4 eye center, you join 1, 4. Okay, now you have to look at 1, 3 eye center and 2, 4 eye center. So you join first 2, 4 eye center. So where is the 2, 4 eye center? Yeah, to find the 2 4 eye center, you have to join the first 2 1 and 1 4. So where is the 2 1? 2 1 is here, eye center, and 1 4 eye center is infinite. If you want to join the 1 2 eye center with a 1 4, you have to go at infinite. So to meet at infinite, line should be the parallel with I 1 4 line. So you have to go. The here will be okay. Now again you have to draw one another line that will pass through 2 4 3 eye center and 3 4 eye center. So 2 3 eye center is here and 3 4 eye center is here. So you have to join this line. So here will cut both line, or wherever these two line will cut, you can locate their I2 4 center eye center. Okay. So now you have to locate 1 3 eye center. You know that 1 3 eye center. So you know that you can join. How can you locate again 1 3 eye center? You have to join first 1 2 and 2 3. So where is the 1 2? 1 2 is known to you here, and 2 3 is where is the 2 3? 2 3 is here. Okay. So you have to join one line from this. Okay. And you have to join with 1 3 and 3 4. 3 4 is here, and sorry 1 4 and 4 3. 1 4 is at infinite and 3 4 here. So you have to meet at infinite, so it will go vertically line. So here it will cut here. So this will be I1 3. Okay. Now we got the all eye center. Now you have asked that find the velocity of link 4 or velocity of the piston. Okay, velocity of the piston, or okay, and you have given that omega 2 that is given 10 radian per second, and also you have given alpha 2 equal to 5 radian per second square. So you have given omega 2, or you have to find V4. So 2 and 4 you have to find eye center. You have to find 2 and 4 eye center. Where is the 2? Sorry, this is the 2 4 eye center. 2 4 eye center. Okay, you know that 2 4 eye center is here. Angle is know that 45 degree, and this angle, what will this angle? Because you know that you have triangle is like that. This you have triangle is like this. Look at here. You have triangle like this. This angle is 45 degree. This is 80. This is 20. Then you have to find this angle. You know that how can find? Suppose this angle is 5. Then you can write what you can write? 20 sine 45 is equal to 20 sine 45 is equal to 80 sine 5. If you are going to find this, actually I have to take a calculator. So wait for a minute. So so 20 sine 45 divided by 80 sine inverse, answer this is coming around 10 degree, 10.2 degree, but I am taking 10 degree because calculation will simple. So assume that this angle is 10 degree. Okay. So okay, now you have all data. now you can find also this angle, but okay, forget all these things. So also forget all these things. You got a 10 degree, so this angle is 10 degree. Okay, now look at here, I24 means what? I24 means what? Tell me. If this I24 पॉइंट वेयर I24 पॉइंट कहीं भी है, उस I24 पॉइंट को चाहे हम लिंक 2 पे माने चाहे लिंक 4 पे माने, चलिए पहले 2 पे मानते हैं. एंड यू नो दैट वेलोसिटी ऑफ I24 पॉइंट, ये जो I24 पॉइंट है उसकी वेलोसिटी चाहे आप लिंक 2 पे माने, आई सेंटर मीन्स इटसेल्फ एक्चुअली, कि आप उस आई सेंटर को किसी भी बॉडी में माने, चाहे 2 पे माने चाहे 4 पे माने, वेलोसिटी हमेशा सेम होती है. सो आई वेलोसिटी ऑफ I24 व्हेन आप इसको बॉडी 4 पे मानते हैं. सो बॉडी 2 पे मानेंगे, लुक एट हियर. सो पहले हम बॉडी 2 पे मानते हैं उस आई सेंटर को. यदि आप बॉडी 2 पे उस आई सेंटर को मानते हैं, सो लुक एट हियर, दिस इज द बॉडी 2, this is the body 2 and this is your I24 actually. This is your I24 actually. Okay, you know that this is your I24. So look at here, and this is your body 2. And this is your body 2. Now tell me, if this body is going to extend up to this body, a small body is going to extend up to I24. Now tell me, body 2 at which point is going to pure rotation? You know that for pure rotation you have to look at absolute eye center. So tell me absolute eye center of body 2. Absolute eye center of body 2 is I12, बिकॉज 1 के साथ जो भी होता है वो एब्सोल्यूट आई सेंटर होता है. क्योंकि लिए देखिए एब्सोल्यूट क्यों बोला, क्योंकि आप बॉडी 2 पे माने चाहे बॉडी 1 पे माने, वेलोसिटी दोनों की सेम होगी. तो बॉडी 1 तो फिक्स है, बॉडी 1 फिक्स है, तो यहाँ पर भी बॉडी 2 की भी वेलोसिटी 0 होगी. और नॉर्मल सी बात है, यहाँ पर देखिए बॉडी 2 की वेलोसिटी 0 है. और वेयर एवर द वेलोसिटी ऑफ एनी लिंक इज 0, दैट मीन्स दैट पॉइंट इज आई सेंटर. ओके, और आई सेंटर इज एब्सोल्यूट आई सेंटर एक्चुअली, और एब्सोल्यूट आई सेंटर इज actually that point. About this point pure whole body is going to pure rotation, in a pure rotation. Okay, so look at here, about this point is going to body pure rotation. Suppose this body or this is our body, now this is our body 2. Okay, link 2, this is our body link 2. Now tell me velocity of this point, how can you find velocity of I24? So you can find very easily velocity of I24. Velocity of I24 is equal to, how can you find? Look at here, this is the omega 2 rotating with omega 2. So omega 2 cross omega 2 vector cross omega 2 vector cross velocity of I24 with respect to I12. So velocity of I2, so that vector will be I, suppose this point A and this is point B, so will be this will be the length. So tell me direction of the cross product. So this will be the omega 2 AB sin theta, and tell me direction of the this cross product. Look at here, this is the omega outward normal, and this is the AB vector, this is your AB vector. So omega cross R, so omega, look at here, omega cross R, omega cross R. So and you know that what जो भी डायरेक्शन होगा वो AB या ओमेगा के परपेंडिकुलर होगा. सो AB के परपेंडिकुलर जाने के लिए आपको इस डायरेक्शन में जाना पड़ेगा. तो सपोज दिस इज व्हाट विल बी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ, दिस इज द माइनस आई कैप. तो एन कैप के जगह पे कितना हो जाएगा, यू नो दैट टू क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट हैविंग ए क्रॉस बी इक्वल टू ए बी साइन थीटा क्रॉस एन. एंड एन क्या होता है, एन क्या होता है, ओमेगा और ए बी, जो ए और बी के बीच का जो परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर होता है उसे एन कैप बोलते हैं. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा आपका माइनस आई कैप. सो लुक एट हियर, टेल मी साइन थीटा क्या होगा? यू नो दैट साइन थीटा विल बी 1 बिकॉज ये आपका क्या होगा, ओमेगा का डायरेक्शन और ये आपका ए बी का डायरेक्शन, सो एंगल विल बी 1, साइन थीटा 90 90, तो साइन थीटा 90 दैट मीन्स दिस विल बी 1, सो दिस विल द माइनस ओमेगा टू ए बी, वेलोसिटी ऑफ आई टू 4। नाउ अब देखिए मैं बार बार ये सब नहीं करने जाऊंगा, पिछले वीडियो में भी कई बार बता चुका हूँ यार ये सब, ठीक है। नाउ टेल मी, अब ये जब आपने बॉडी 2 पे माना था, ये जब वेलोसिटी थी जब आपने इसको बॉडी 2 पे माना था, अब टेल मी वेलोसिटी जब इसी आई सेंटर को I24 को जब आप बॉडी 4 पे मानेंगे तो क्या होगा? सपोज आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट यू नो दैट कि ये जो स्लाइडर जो है वो ओनली एक्स डायरेक्शन में रेसिप्रोकेट कर सकता है, देयर स्लाइडर इज कंस्ट्रेंट टू रेसिप्रोकेट इन ओनली एंड एक्स डायरेक्शन, दैट इज वाई सपोज डायरेक्शन विल बी प्लस आई कैप और माइनस आई कैप, so suppose I am taking that this is minus I cap, actually this will be the minus I cap. If you want to take a plus I cap then not worry because if you want to चलो मैं प्लस आई कैप में ले लेता हूँ, तो वेलोसिटी विल बी, चलो मैं बोलता हूँ कि प्लस आई कैप में इसकी वेलोसिटी है, और कितनी वेलोसिटी होगी वेक्टोरियल फॉर्म में? वेलोसिटी ऑफ पिस्टन इनटू आई कैप, सो हाउ सो व्हाट विल बी द, अब देखिए यहाँ पे so this is your body 2 and this is your eye center, okay, this is your eye center here suppose this is your eye center, so remove the all parts and extend the body 2, you have extended the body 2, now your I24 is on a body 4, this is not your now body 4, this is your body 4 now, so tell me if piston is going in this direction, all point is will go same with same magnitude and same direction, okay, so what will be the velocity of the piston will be and plus I cap, in the plus I cap direction, am I right? So both are the same because you know that चाहे बॉडी 2 पे मान के वेलोसिटी निकाले चाहे बॉडी 4 पे निकाले, आई सेंटर का मतलब ही होता है कि दोनों पे वेलोसिटी क्या होगी, सेम होगी, दैट इज वाई दिस विल बी सेम, सो यू कैन राइट माइनस ओमेगा टू ए बी इक्वल माइनस आई कैप, सॉरी ये दिस इज द आई कैप इक्वल टू वेलोसिटी ऑफ द पी इंटू आई कैप, you get the coefficient of the I cap, you will get omega 2 AB equal to, actually this is the AB, okay, this is your AB, not this AB because I showed you this is the AB actually in this case, so velocity of P, now velocity of P will omega 2 you know that 10 radian per second, and tell me what is the AB, you have to find the first AB, so you have to find the first AB, look at here, this is angle 45 degree, this angle also 45 degree, this is A and this is B, this angle is 10 degree, this also will be 10 degree, I have to draw B, okay, not look at here what I am saying, okay, this angle is 45 degree, this angle also 45 degree, this angle also will be 10 degree, you know that horizontal bit making it 10 degree, now you know that this is 20, then this will be the, this length will be 20 cos of 45 or sin 45 both are same, so also this will be the also 20 sin 45, now tell me this length will be 20 sin 45 into 10 of 10. Am I right? Are you getting this point? What I'm saying? This length you know that, this angle you know that, this is 90 degree. Then you know that this length will be 20 sin 45 into 10 of 10. Okay. Now you can find velocity of piston equal to omega 2 equal to omega 2. Tell me omega 2. Omega 2 equal to 10 radian per second into minus is there, actually minus is there, AB that means this whole length will be 20 sin 45 plus 20 sin 45 into 10 of 10. Now if you are going to solve it, 20 sin 45 plus 20 sin 45 into 10 of 10 into 10, so it is coming around velocity of piston is equal to 166.3 meter per second in a negative direction. That means whatever you have assumed the velocity direction, that velocity direction will be in reverse direction because negative is coming. So you can take 166.3 meter per second velocity is coming, and your assumption is wrong. Direction should not like this, direction should be like this. Am I right? So look at here, with eye center method only you can find the direction also. Okay, am I right? With eye center method you can find direction also. So look at here, now you have to find so friend, you have to find again, you got omega 2. How much omega 2? Tell me omega 2. 166.3 meter per second you got this. Okay, now you have to find omega 3. Tell me how you can find the omega 3. Same procedure. Like look at here, you know that velocity of 4, that means velocity of the piston, how much it is? Sorry, this is not omega 2 yaar, this is the velocity of the piston actually. Okay. So 166.3 meter per second. Okay, you have to find omega 3. How can you find omega 3? Tell me how can you going to find omega 3? So omega 3 you can find with very easy. You know that 4 and 3 are required, so you have to know, कि आपको 4 और 3 आई सेंटर लोकेट करना पड़ेगा. You know that already 4 and 3 आई सेंटर is here. So what is mean the आई सेंटर? You know that बॉडी 3 पे माने चाहे बॉडी 4 पे माने, उस आई सेंटर पॉइंट की वेलोसिटी सेम होती है. सो लुक एट हियर, चलिए यदि हम बॉडी 4 पे मानते हैं तो यू नो डेट वेलोसिटी ऑफ I34 व्हेन यू आर अज्यूमिंग एट बॉडी 4, व्हाट विल बी द वेलोसिटी? यू नो डेट वेलोसिटी ऑफ द पिस्टन, सो दिस विल बी द वेलोसिटी ऑफ द पिस्टन. अब हम वेक्टर नहीं यूज कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ओके, अब नाउ आई एम नॉट यूजिंग द वेक्टर, डायरेक्ट आई एम राइटिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स. सो लुक एट हियर, नाउ अब you have assumed it. अब now tell me velocity of 0.34 when you are assuming at a body 3. so body 0.34 यहाँ पे है और ऐसे भी दिख भी रहा है. देखिए ना यहाँ पे, यदि जो बॉडी जो 0.34 है दोनों बॉडी पे है, 3 और 4 दोनों बॉडी पे है. Am I right? So फर्स्ट टू आप बॉडी पॉइंट I34 की वेलोसिटी पता करना चाहते हैं तो पहले 3 का आपको एब्सोल्यूट आई सेंटर पता करना पड़ेगा. सो एब्सोल्यूट आई सेंटर मतलब कि जो बॉडी I13 बॉडी 3 हैविंग एब्सोल्यूट आई सेंटर I13. देखिए यदि आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा तो देखिए ऐसे भी सोच सकते हैं, दिस इज योर पिस्टन हियर, piston will go always like this, am I right? And this point is, ठीक है, and this point will always go like this, am I right? So perpendicular to this tangent, that means velocity of the this point लिंक जो लिंक 3 है उसका वेलोसिटी ऑफ दिस पॉइंट हमेशा इस डायरेक्शन में होगा। सो इसके परपेंडिकुलर जो जीरो लाइन वेलोसिटी होगी ये होगी, मैंने पिछले वीडियो में बताया जीरो लाइन वेलोसिटी क्या होता है, एम आई राइट? सो जीरो लाइन वेलोसिटी इस डायरेक्शन में होगी एंड जीरो लाइन वेलोसिटी एक इस डायरेक्शन में होगी। अब ये जहाँ पर भी कट करेगा, अब ये जहाँ पे भी कट करेगा, ये लिंक 3 है आपका, जहाँ पर भी ये कट करेगा यू नो डेट वेलोसिटी दिस डायरेक्शन, दिस हैविंग दिस पॉइंट, एम आई राइट? क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्या है, फिक्स है ये, तो इसके अबाउट रोटेट करेगा तो इसकी वेलोसिटी इस डायरेक्शन में होगी लिंक के परपेंडिकुलर। सो इसके अबाउट अब ये क्या करेगा, ये पूरी बॉडी क्या करेगी, प्योर रोटेशन पे होगी, एम आई राइट? सो रिमूव द ऑल दिस पार्ट। नाउ यू हैव I34 हियर, you know that I34 is here. Now about I13, this whole body, सपोज बॉडी 3 को मैंने एक्सटेंड कर दिया, ऐसे बड़ा बना दिया, तो इसके अबाउट क्या करेगा, प्योर रोटेशन पे होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर वेलोसिटी 0 होगी बॉडी 3 की। क्यों 0 होगी, क्योंकि देखिए यहाँ पे 1 भी आ रहा है, 1 का मतलब क्या है, 1 फिक्स है, और आपको पता है कि आई सेंटर, चाहे आई सेंटर का मतलब है कि 1 पे माने चाहे 3 पे माने, दोनों वेलोसिटी सेम है। जब 1 पे वेलोसिटी 0 है तो 3 पे भी वेलोसिटी क्या होनी चाहिए, 0 होनी चाहिए। दैट इज वाई अबाउट दिस पॉइंट होल बॉडी इज गोइंग टू रोटेट ओनली। सो सपोज आई एम अज्यूमिंग दिस द ओमेगा, सो टेल मी हाउ कैन यू राइट नाउ वेलोसिटी ऑफ पॉइंट 34? यू कैन राइट वेरी इजी, ओमेगा 3 इंटू दिस डिस्टेंस। Wherever you want to find the velocity, you have to get a distance from hinge point. So hinge point is there, and this is the your focusing, जहाँ पर आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, मतलब कि फोकस कर रहे हैं वेलोसिटी को फाइंड करने के लिए। सो दिस विल बी द I13 और I34। ओके, सो टेल मी ओमेगा 3 you don't know actually. So I13 or I34 you have to know. Distance between I13 and I34, that means this length you have to know. चलिए ये डिस्टेंस पता करके देखते हैं। How can you find this distance? So look at here. This angle is 45 degree and this is your, okay, and this angle is 10 degree. Now this angle will be 80 degree and this length is 80 and this length is 20, am I right? And this angle is 45 degree, okay, this length is 80 degree. If this angle is 45 degree, so this angle also will be 45 degree. Tell me why? Because this angle is 90 degree. So this angle 45 degree, this angle 45 degree. That means whatever this length will be, this length will be, same length will be this length. So tell me this length, how can you find, how you are going to find this length? So you can find very easy. Actually you can find with how can you find, how can you find, look at here, this 45 degree, this 10 degree, you have to subtract 180 minus 45 plus 10, that means 180 minus 55. 180 minus 55 you are going to subtract, if you are going to subtract, this angle will be 125. So look at here, if this angle is 125, So cos 125 is equal to, tell me, cos 125 is equal to 80 square plus 20 square minus x square. Suppose this length is x, this length is x, okay. 80 square plus 20 square minus x square बटे 2 into 80 into 20. So if you are going to find these things, cos answer into 2 into 80 into 20, okay, 80 square plus 20 square minus of answer under root of answer 92.92. You are getting x is equal to 92.92. Let me consider as it as a 93. Okay, let me consider it as a 93. This length is 93, that means this length is also 93, and this length is 93, that means this length is 93. That means this is the distance between I13 and I34. So you have required also I13 and I34. So put here 93. 92, actually 99, 92.9 was there. So I am putting 92.9. So tell me now, tell me velocity of the I34 when you are considering that link at 3, or you are considering it I34.83. I3 पॉइंट को आप चाहे 3 पे कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, चाहे I3 पॉइंट को आप 4 पे कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, दोनों पे वेलोसिटी सेम होगी. सो यू नो दैट वेलोसिटी ऑफ द पिस्टन, सो दिस विल बी equal to velocity of the piston, that is 166.3. Now you can find from here velocity of the piston 166.3 divided by 92.9. You are getting 1.97 actually. Okay, 79 actually. So omega 2 you are getting omega 3 actually. Omega 3 you are getting 1.79. Okay, radian per second, or actually this is in a centimeter per second, because all dimension was in centimeter, so centimeter per second will be there. Okay, I think you got all these things. So आपने ओमेगा 3 प्राप्त कर लिया, आपने ओमेगा 3 देख लिया, ओमेगा 2 देख लिया, आपने वेलोसिटी ऑफ द पिस्टन देख लिया. So now you have to do acceleration analysis. Okay, so acceleration analysis actually you have to do with not acceleration analysis आपको आई सेंटर मेथड से तो कर नहीं सकते, क्योंकि यू नो दैट यू कांट यूज आई सेंटर मेथड फॉर acceleration analysis. So in the next part I am going to with do acceleration analysis. So thank you.